Tired of chasing down receipts and manually entering expense reports? Want to streamline your team's spending and get real-time visibility into your company's finances? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to easily add employees to Expensify. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this video will equip you with the knowledge to onboard your team seamlessly and unlock the full potential of Expensify. Imagine this: your team submits expenses effortlessly, receipts are automatically captured, and you have a clear, up-to-date picture of your company's spending. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Expensify, it's a reality. Adding employees to Expensify is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your Expensify admin portal, *, find your unique admin URL and log in with your admin credentials. *, this is your central hub for managing all employee accounts. 2. Navigate to the Employees section, *, locate the Employees tab or section within your admin dashboard. *, this is where you'll manage all aspects of your team's Expensify usage. 3. Add a new employee, *, click on the Add Employee button or a similar option. *, you'll be presented with a form to enter the employee's information. 4. Enter essential details, *, provide the employee's full name, email address, and any other relevant information requested. *, consider setting up default expense policies and reimbursement preferences for each employee or for the entire team. 5. Assign roles and permissions, *, determine the level of access each employee needs within Expensify. *, will they be able to submit expenses, approve reports, or manage company policies? Expensify offers various roles with customizable permissions to ensure data security and control. 6. Send invitations, *, once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save or Invite Employee. Expensify will automatically send an invitation email to the employee. 7. Employee onboarding, *, the employee will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation and create their Expensify account. They can then download the Expensify mobile app or use the web app to start submitting expenses. 8. Training and support, *, provide your team with basic training on how to use Expensify effectively. * offer clear instructions, helpful resources, and ongoing support to ensure a smooth transition. 9. Monitor and manage, *, regularly review employee activity within Expensify. * monitor expense submissions, approvals, and any potential issues. * make adjustments to policies and permissions as needed to optimize your company's expense management process. Here are some additional tips to enhance your Expensify employee onboarding experience. Create a welcome email. Send a personalized welcome email to new hires, outlining the benefits of using Expensify and providing essential login information. Develop clear expense policies. Establish and communicate clear expense policies to all employees. This will minimize confusion and ensure consistent reimbursement practices. Utilize Expensify's reporting features. Leverage Expensify's robust reporting capabilities to gain valuable insights into your company's spending trends. Provide ongoing support. Offer ongoing support to your team through FAQs, help articles, and dedicated support channels. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your employee onboarding process and empower your team to submit expenses with ease and efficiency. With Expensify, managing employee expenses doesn't have to be a headache. By following these simple steps, you can easily add employees, streamline workflows, and gain valuable insights into your company's finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.